Ungawa Bawana. Memsaba me no go. Welcome back to another taste along. Number 120 today, Yangara. Cadenzia, the 2006 out of McLaren Vale, Australia. Really interesting blend we got going on here in the Yangara. Check out the label. There it is for you to look at. Looking at retail, give or take, when you find this bottle, right around 25 bucks. And this, an interesting blend of grapes. This is a Grenache, a Syrah, and a Mourvedre. And it's all single vineyard from the Cadenzia vineyard here in the McLaren Vale in Australia. It's a slightly cooler climate than the Barossa tends to be. So you get a little bit more of this earth, not quite as much jam as there tends to be. Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvedre, generally grapes from the Rhone region in France, and they're bringing them down, and you're seeing a little bit more of these GSM blends coming out of down under, that's for sure. And this, the screw cap, let's get into it. Nice and easy. You're getting no cork taint out of any of these bottles. You get right into it, no messing around. Let's get some wine in the glass. Let's check out the color on this stuff. Rich and brooding as you'd expect, but not over the top. This stuff right here, it's sort of like medium plus, medium between, right between. I give this 75% full-bodied wine right here as far as the color's concerned. Rich, deep garnet, and on the nose, you get a lot of these chocolates that come through, and a lot of the cocoa, sort of an unsweetened, really dark chocolate. Cherries. And then this rocky, rugged quality that I think Grenache brings to the table. Really, really interesting blend. Let's rock this stuff around in the glass, and let's get down to the time that it is. It's monkey time, my people. Let's do it. Booyah. Look at the color. Let's do it. Let's get it past our lips. Make it happen. Kablammy. Really round, and it really keeps coming back and back and back. This stuff, I get a lot of spice on this that the nose wasn't giving me, which is real interesting. That black pepper spice, I'm getting those tar and leathery qualities that come back around. A little bit of that rugged rockiness, and then I get this cherry raspberry fruit that comes back up. So it's a real interesting blend. I think with barbecued foods, this would be absolutely delicious. Maybe some ribs would be a real interesting matchup with this stuff. Making it happen, the Yangara. Thanks for checking out today. Number 120, Yangara, Cadenzia 2006, McLaren Vale, Australian, GSM. And every day, check out AdamTheWineGuy.com.